Hi everyone, welcome to Secret of Computer Software channel, and today we're gonna learn about preparing AutoCAD drawing area, margin, and title block. To accomplish this, we could pass through the following lessons: setting up of the drawing areas, grid and snap setting, line command, offset, trim, zoom, and the text command. By starting, go to the menu bar, click File, and then New. Thereafter, select Template dialog box will open, click Acadiso, and then File type, you have to choose Drawing Template DWT. There are other templates, but for this tutorial, we're gonna use Drawing Template DWT. Thereafter, have to click Open. After that, our drawing area will open, and then we have to go again to menu bar and click Format, then click Units. The drawing unit dialog box will open. We have to set length, type we have to leave as decimals, precision you can choose according to your desire, but for this tutorial let's use 2 decimal places. That is 0.00. Angle, we have to choose decimal degree, and precision in this tutorial we use 0.0. Thereafter, we have to set matrix in millimeters, insertion scale in millimeter, and then go to direction. Make sure east is checked. East 0 degree, then click OK. After, click OK to close the drawing unit dialog box. Thereafter, go again to menu bar, click Format, and then click Drawing Limits, and then in the command line you have to specify the coordinates of lower left corner. I will specify 0,0 for the lower left corner. And then because this is A3 paper size, I have to respond to the next coordinates of upper right corner. I will specify 420 to 297, and then I have to click Enter. Thereafter, go to the status menu, and then right click on grid, then click setting. Thereafter, we have to do some setting here. Make sure it is on snap and the grid. After the dialog box of draft setting has been opened, make sure it's on snap and the grid. So we have to perform some settings here. In snap, in grid should be on, should be checked, and then the grid spacing should be 10 in the X, and at Y should be spacing as 10. Then snap type should be checked on grid snap, be checked. Thereafter, rectangular map snap should be checked. In grid behavior, make sure the display beyond the grid limit is not checked, so we have to uncheck it. After that, we have to click OK, and then our drawing area will be displayed like that. So to view our drawing area, we have to go to the menu bar and then click View, and then Zoom. Thereafter, Zoom All, click Zoom All. This is our drawing area. So go to Drawing, and then Line. We have to draw our margin. So I have to indent 25 millimeter from the left, and then 5 millimeter from right, bottom, and top. So I have to insert here, specify the first point of the line. It will should be 25,5. So I have to write here on 25 and 5. then press enter. As you see, the line has appeared. So if the line it should be straight, put the author on and the status bar. Thereafter, the next point to specify, I have to specify the next point to the right. It should be 390. Then press enter. Then drag the cursor upward. Specify the next point to the top of the page. Should be 287. Then click enter. Then drag the mouse to the left and specify the other point should be 390, and then join it to the first point. Click OK to join your margin. Make sure the object snap is open to ensure that it show where you want to join. Then go to modify and then click offset in order to draw our title block. Then you have to offset the bottom line by 30. So click offset, enter, and then click 30. Type 30 and then enter, offset the bottom line by 30. Then go again to offset, click, then you have to specify the offset distance, specify 180, and then we have to click enter. So click the line you want to offset and then drag the cursor leftward. As you can see, our line will appear like that. So after offset, you have to trim these extra lines. So go to modify, then click trim. After click trim, we have several options of trim line in AutoCAD. So the first one is just clicking the line. After you click trim, click the line and the line will disappear. So the other option is to click the boundary of what you want to trim. Trim you can trim your line. For example, type T and then click the line. This is a boundary, and then I can trim all beyond the boundary. That is in the next option. The other option is just click trim, and then without typing T, you can type T, then click the boundary, and then you can click the line you want to trim, and your line will be trimmed like that. Thereafter, go to view, then zoom. That up to zoom window. This ensure that you zoom the specific area you want to view. So drag the cursor, then your area of specified window will be appear like that. This is my area of title block. So go to modify and then offset. I have to offset the line by 15, the top line by 15. Then go back and then specify 30 from the left of the title block to the right, then 40, and the other process will be like that. You have to specify the rest of the point. For example, at 50, they have to go to trim, like I have explained before. Then offset again. You have to offset the line by 84, 30, other by 30, and then have to offset the other line. If you want to offset, you just don't go to offset several times in the menu bar. You just double click enter, and then you specify the distance you want to offsetting, and then you go ahead offsetting. That is how offsetting should be done. After finish it, offset, the next command is text command. So go to draw and then choose multiplying text. As you can see, I have to drag the cursor from where I want to put my text. So just zoom and come somewhere here, then drag the cursor so as to specify the area of typing a text. So I can type the text. Let's say this one should be projection, and type projection here. And then after I have typed, you can click it anywhere and your text will appear. There is option of changing fonts. You can change the font. You can change size. Let's put Times New Roman. You can change the text height. Let's leave as 2.5. And you can bold. There are several options, and then you can click OK or click anywhere beyond the text box. You can see text has appeared. To redo the command, you can just click enter, and then you have to drag the mouse where you want to put. As you can see, it shows, because of object snap, it is show from the corner. If you drag it, drag from the corner button. To fix that, you can just put off object snap by clicking it, and then you can specify anywhere you want. Just drag your cursor to put the text, and then type the text. Then put it to scale, and then you can click anywhere outside the text box like that, and your text will appear. After you click enter, and then drag the position you want to put your text, and then type the text. You can put your dimensions like that, and then click in anywhere, and that will be applicable for the rest of the text. Example, have to right click and type drawing, and then right click, double click, just click enter, and then type check that, and that will be applicable for the rest of the text. Maybe if there's strong number, then click anywhere you want to put your text. After I have finished my text, I have to go to the other command. This is move command. Just click move, and then click enter. Thereafter, you have to select the object you want to move. Just go to the object and then click it. You can move anywhere, maybe on horizontal, vertical, anywhere. To move in all direction, you can put off auto, and then you can move it to any direction. Yes, let's put it somewhere here. Then select the other, maybe scale, and click enter and select scale. So you can move scale to anywhere you want. Somewhere here, put a scale in. That is how the move command is used. Just click enter and select where you want to move your object. You can move as object or text or anything you want to move just by click enter and highlight your object you want to move after you have clicked the move command. As you see this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment for the next coming tutorial. Thank you.